and jump inside. It's time to take a learning ride. Hop on the bus that sings all day. Colors and numbers on the way. Red, blue, yellow, count with me. 1, 2, 3, so happily. Beep, 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 let's shout hooray. Learning's fun in every way. Shapes and songs, let's sing and play. On the silly school bus today. Next stop, Shape Town, come and see. Triangles, squares, and circles 3. Look around, let's sing along. Every shape can join this song. Sing it loud, clap your hands. Learning takes us to new lands. With friends we laugh, we cheer, we play. Every day's a learning day. Beep, 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 let's shout hooray. The silly school bus saves the day. Colors, shapes, and numbers too. Learning's fun for me and you. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Learning's fun for me and you.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can replicate the same thing that you just watched. So that video you just watched was created using only the free tools. So we're gonna be starting on ChatGPT. Please create me 10 creative, fun, colorful rhymes ideas for kids songs. So ChatGPT has given me at least 10 ideas that I can just choose from, so you decide on which one you want to start with. So you've got 10 ideas, then it means for 10 days you know what you're going to do. So you can choose number 1, or you can just randomly choose any topic. So I'm gonna go with the silly school bus. Then ChatGPT has just finished the whole thing by giving me everything that I asked for. Then this is what I actually wrote for ChatGPT to create for me. Please create a complete song and also create full detailed prompt to create images. Full detailed prompt to turn the same image into the video, and action of the video with camera movement, and each part of the song should include text to image and video prompt. So this is the song. This is the first lyrics, the introduction of the song, and then here on the introduction there is a text to image prompt intro. This is the prompt that I can use to create the images, and then on this part, on the second one, is the image to video prompt. So it has just created everything that I actually needed. So what I need now is to start creating the images. So we are going to be using this website with this AI tool called the Whisk AI. So it's going to give us the beautiful images with the colorful colors that kids will definitely enjoy and love. Okay, so what I need to do now is to copy the first prompt and then go to the Whisk AI. All right, then you come here. This is the Whisk AI. You just go to your search bar and then you search for Whisklabs. Okay, so this is what you're gonna come across with. All you need to do, you come here to describe your idea or try your luck with prompt ideas. So I'm going to paste the prompt that I got from ChatGPT and then click here. Okay, so these are the results for the first prompt. Look how amazing the colorful colors. They are so very, very adorable. Kids will definitely love these kind of colors. Okay, so you come here to the description again. You put another prompt. So you keep on doing this until you're done with all your prompt. So if you find that you are not happy with the image, you just need to go back to ChatGPT and tweak things around there, so or else you're gonna get the same image. Okay, I'm just loving the image the way it is. I'm happy with everything. So if you are done, you come here, you can just come here to this, you download the image, you also download the image. So remember, you get 2 images. So if you want to download them all, you can do that, but you can just select the best image. Okay, so now we are done with generating the image. So what we need to do is to turn this beautiful image into a video. So we're going to be using the Crok AI. So remember, we are using the free tools. So Crok AI is one of the free tools that you can actually use to create your video. So one thing that I actually love about Crok AI is because of it doesn't change the quality of your images when you're creating the video. Some of these AIs, when you are having that beautiful image, that beautiful quality image, and then you start creating the image, the videos using that image, then it loses the quality. Then it ended up being blurry, and then it's becoming not beautiful anymore. You don't even know what is happening there. But with this, actually, with the Crok AI, is actually not doing any of those. The image, the way is perfect with the good quality. It will just remain like that. The video will also be perfect. So for you to get to the video section, you need to click on the imagine, and then you come here to this attachment. Then you bring the image that you just created. Okay, so the video is ready. Let's just have a look. All right, that's so great. Now remember, we've got our own prompt to generate to turn the image into the video. So what we need to do, you come here to type to customize the video. So I'm gonna click right here and then paste the prompt that I got from ChatGPT, and then thereafter we click this. So we're gonna need to wait for some few seconds again. Okay, so with our prompt, now we've got the results. Let's just have a look to the results. That's so beautiful. It doesn't even miss the spelling. The spelling is actually correct. Did you see that the silly school bus is written very, very nicely with the beautiful bright colors that kids will definitely appreciate. So what you need to do now, you come back here to the download section, and then you download the video so that you can be able to access it later when we are doing the editing. So now it's time to create the music. So we're going to be using this website. It's called Makesong AI. I come here to the lyrics box. This is where I need to paste my lyrics for my song, and then scroll down. I'm gonna scroll down to the style. So this is where I need to choose the style of the song. I'm gonna go with the ADM, and then comes here to the moods. I'm gonna go with the funny and playful, and also joy. Okay, and then with the voices, I need to select at least one. I'm gonna go with children voices. So there are many voices that you can just choose from. There's a girls children voices, and boy children's voices. There's a boy teenage voices, and there's a girl voices. So children's voice will do the best. Okay, then I comes here to the title of the song, silly school bus. Okay, then after you are done, you come here to generate the result for the song. For the kids song, it's giving you at least two songs, so that you can be able to select the one that you prefer. I'm gonna start with this one.
Every shape can join the song. Sing it loud, clap your hands. Learning takes us to new lands. With friends we laugh, we cheer, we play. Every day's a learning day. Beep, 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 let's shout hooray. The silly school bus saves the day. Colors, shapes, and numbers too. Learning's fun for me and you. Beep, beep.
so cute, man. I actually love this song. Let's just listen to the second one.
Vroom, vroom, here we go.
The silly school bus says hello. Doors wide open, jump inside. It's time to take a learning ride. Hey, hop on the bus that sings all day. Colors and numbers on the way. Red, blue, yellow, count with me. 1, 2, 3, so happily. Beep, beep, let's shout hooray. Learning's fun in every way. Shapes and songs, let's sing and play. On the silly school bus today. Next stop, Shape Town, come and see. Triangles, squares, and circles 3. Look around, let's sing along. Every shape.
Oh my god, that's so cute and beautiful, man. Kids will definitely love these kind of songs. Okay, so now I don't know which one to choose because both of them are actually great. Okay, so you just need to choose one of the song, or you can just choose them both and create. You just decide on what you're gonna do with it. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, then when you are done with selecting your music, because now it's very interesting, I don't know which song to take. I will just create them both. I will just take them both. You click on this arrow that is facing down and comes to the MP3. Click on that, and then another thing, you can just come here to the commercials and read to understand the licensing and everything that you need, because since you're going to be using this for free, you just need to make sure that you understand what is actually happening with the law. Okay, so now we are at the last part of our video, which is editing. We are on Canva. We're gonna use Canva for editing. So all you need to do is to upload all the files into Canva, and then also the audio, and then after that you can just open page by page, then you add the pages like that, and then you're gonna need to put the videos accordingly as well, so you know which one it's supposed to be, is supposed to come first, and then just like that, you know, the second one until the last part. Then after you are done, you can just bring the audio also. You brought the audio as well, so you're gonna just put it like that. So just like that, you can just add the videos until the song is finished. And then so at the end of the day, this is what you're gonna get. So this is my complete video, and then we came to the end of our video for today. I'll see you in the next one.